I got some computer parts. They was plated in the gold, and I decided to do one experiment with this. So I right now dissolving in nitric acid. You see the brown gases coming out, and everything must be dissolved and just stays gold. And then I thinking about use the mercury. If it's little amount of material, you don't need to make right away a coverage and everything. You can use maybe mercury. So let's see how everything works to collect that material. And then we can, when we already have everything inside the mercury, then we can, how say it, recover that gold at any time we have a little bit more material. Okay, but this is very little amount of just experiment. So let's see how everything works. Right now everything is still working, and all those you see from gold plated stuff, let him work till everything be dissolved. Of course gold don't dissolve because this is a nitric acid. It's not dissolves the gold. I'm getting too hot, need to take out from heat plate. And you see the gold is everywhere on the surface. See the gold plated stuff. Okay, so let him work. And we'll see when we finish, when there's no more those reactions, then be no more bubbles. So that means everything is done, and gold is already maybe on the bottom. So let's see how everything works. Okay, I got very dirty solution, but it's okay. This is experiment. So right now I'm turning off heater. We don't need anymore. I add little water. I don't break this bottle because the solution is hot, and I try to filtrate till it's hot. We'll see what's happening. Oh, hot. So this is, looks like we have a copper, but I guarantee this is a lot of different material, like iron, some tin metal and everything else. And like you see, there is some gold flakes. It's very little amount. So I doing experiment to collect gold plates with the mercury, and we'll see how everything works. Okay. Okay. All material, and mostly gold is in the plate, and a lot more over here, but it's filtrating so slowly because maybe silver chloride or something. So I not want to waste the time. I just adding right now mercury, and we'll see did that everything get stuck on mercury. Oh yeah. Yeah, working. Mercury collects all this gold. Okay, so let me work with the two hands and see how everything works. But I can see mercury collect mostly gold. That gold went inside. There is still, let's see, can I need to work with two hands. Okay, a lot of swimming. It's so tiny flakes of this gold. So let me work on this. Or maybe, you know what, I put everything in the bottle and then I can shake how I want. Okay, but mostly gold already is gone, went to the mercury, inside the mercury, because it's clean from all sides. Then when this gold is clean, the mercury absorbs that gold. It's inside that, inside, but you see There is few left, so let me work with 2 hands and we will see. And then when it's finish filtrate, we do the same thing here. This material is just trash, plastics. I didn't play with this. I just wanted to see how everything works, because right now I need to put aqua regia if I want. But when it's so little amount of gold, then you don't need to play with that gold. You just add some mercury, and like you see, all those flakes is gone. There is some swimming, but let me work a little bit longer and we will see what's happening. Okay, I can say all little flakes of gold is gone. Mercury took everything. Okay. Oh, look, I got amalgam, not even. All those flakes was like this. I got amalgam. Mercury amalgam. So, see? That was all our flakes. Okay, let me take it. This much. This is gold amalgam. Okay, the mercury amalgam. So like you see, all gold is gone. Not even smallest flakes is gone. So that is good, because when you don't have a lot of gold, this is always problem. Make aqua regia, then you're working so much and to recover that gold, when you can just use the mercury, collect it, and then later on when you have a little bit more gold, you just work on that gold. Okay, so right now this still filtrating, takes a while because it's a dirty solution. Okay, this takes a while because it's dirty solution and very hard to filtrate. You see, on this side is black or something, and here already blue. So means we have some kind of stuff which one we don't need. So okay, this is going to the trash. Okay, it's nothing there. You see, I use those contacts, and there's some little, but that's microscopic. It's no point even worry about that. Okay, everything is clean. Nitric acid work good. It's destroy all these metals, because this is very poor on gold stuff. So okay, I get rid of this. So now mostly gold is in this solution, so let him finish filtrating, then we will see what we get in this. I took a filter out because it's almost clogged and I see the little pieces of gold everywhere. So try wash it out, and this is some kind of mud. Okay, let him put separately. Okay, what to do with this one? Oh, gold is everywhere on the bottom. Okay, so let's add water. I wash the filter, add all water, washed water in this jar, and all gold you see is on the bottom. Okay, so now let them settle down a little bit, because I still see some flakes swimming on the surface, and I want them go down. And then I decanted this solution, and we put the mercury again. We'll see how everything works. Decanted how much we can that solution. Okay, need more. I'll be adding more water. This is maybe silver, I think. Okay, still have here a little bit swimming on the surface, gold flakes. So we will see. Let's filtrate this solution now, because that silver, I guarantee silver clogs everything. And need to get another jar. Last, what's left, I put new filter, let him work out, and this solution we put in separately. This is dirty something, and on the bottom I don't see nothing, it's just a dust. Okay, and here everything settles down, so I adding here in another beaker till gold, left the gold. Okay, so what we see, very little amount of stuff with the gold. So let's add water now. Add a little bit more water, and everything looks like gold went down on the bottom. So that is a good thing. I decanting this solution without gold, and gold is in the bottom here. And you see, in this mess we have a gold. Let me make a bigger. Really hard to show you. It's very small pieces, but you see everything is everything gold. Okay, so right now I'm adding mercury and try to collect all this gold. And those solutions I let them settle down, and then I add mercury inside and we get it. So this is like, suspect there is little silver. This is looks like we have a copper, and here gold flakes, very tiny ones, you see, and I adding mercury. Up, and let him collect all these gold flakes. And I think it's working. Right away I can see a lot less gold left. Okay, dokie, working. So that way, when you deal with very little amounts of gold, you don't want to make aqua richer, then the decovering and everything takes a long time and effort. So now I just collect the gold with the mercury, and I'm done with this thing. Okay, so maybe I not even transfer to the bottle and just shake it. Yeah, works. Microscopic gold goes to mercury too. You already see on the surface of the mercury. Okay, let's continue. Juice, what was there to one little bottle, and mercury is inside there. Close the bottle and now be shaking. That way all gold goes inside the mercury. Okay, and we'll see how everything works. Let me shake for a while, let the all gold get in. I think everything is fine. Okay, I close the bottle and now I'm shaking. The mercury inside is collecting all my little flakes of gold, and let's see what we get. Okay, I don't see anything swimming, no gold left. Wow, that is good. All gold went inside them and nothing left in that solution. Okay guys, this method works. So if you're working with little amounts of gold, use the mercury to recover that gold from electronic stuff. And when you collect a lot, then you can use recovery methods and recover that gold. Let me take this mercury out. Finish. All mercury went already. We see a lot of mercury is clogging my It's okay. It's not even, let me suck it out. All the mercury already collected on gold. And now, what I can say, everything work. And I got two solutions. One with the copper and one with the silver, I think. Because it's gray color. And let's put everything together. We'll see how I can recover that silver, if there is silver, I don't know. But main thing, that gold recovery works very well, and I just don't know what to say. Use it, guys, if you have little amounts. Mercury, look, I got clean mercury with the gold inside. So when I collect a little bit more, I recover that gold and do aqua regia. So thanks for watching, guys. I think this stuff works.